Hello and welcome to our video to set up a 1200A. To set up your 1200A, you first need to hit the menu button and enter the number 10. Once this is completed, you may then input the outside perimeter of the pipe by pressing Enter and typing in the value and pressing Enter again. After, you may then press the down arrow. This will bring you to menu 11. You should see a display of the default outer diameter of the pipe. You may then press Enter and input the outer diameter of your pipe. Then press Enter again. If you press the down arrow again, you should see a screen asking for the pipe wall thickness. Here you can enter the value of your pipe's wall thickness by pressing Enter if it is not already shown. You may then press Enter again to confirm it. If you press the down arrow again, it will bring you to the menu to enter your pipe's inner diameter. Press Enter to input your value, and then press it again to confirm it. Once you have done that, you can then press the down arrow again to bring you to the menu to select the pipe material. Press Enter, then scroll through the list by pressing the down arrow until you see your material. You may then press Enter to confirm your selection. If you have pressed Other, you will then see a menu asking for the sound velocity of pipe material when you hit the down arrow to move to the next menu. You may press Enter and input your sound velocity and confirm it by pressing Enter again. Next, you will see menu 16 asking if you have liner material in your pipe. If you do not, you can hit the down arrow. If you do, you can press Enter and select from the list by pressing the down arrow. If you pressed Other, you will be prompted to input your liner sound velocity on the next menu. On menu 18, it will ask for your liner thickness. If you do not have a liner, it will then skip this menu. Next, it will ask for the inside ABS thickness. You can press Enter and input your value and press Enter again to confirm. Press the down arrow again and you will see a menu asking for the fluid type. Press Enter to select from the list. If you selected Other Liquid, you would see the next menu asking for the fluid sound velocity. Press Enter to input your value and then press it again to confirm. The next menu will ask for the fluid viscosity. You can press Enter to input your value and then press it again to confirm it. The next menu asks for the transducer type. You can select from the list and then press it again to confirm it. The next menu will ask how you installed your transducers. You can press Enter to select from the list and then press it again to confirm it. The next menu will show you the distance you should place your transducers based on your inputs. The next menu 26, where you will save all your changes by pressing Enter and then pressing it again. When the parameters are saved, the meter will return to the menu 00 with the flow rate and totalizer. This completes the meter setup. If you want to check the signal quality and signal straight, press the up arrow once for the menu 90. And with that, we can conclude this video. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.